guys, so this is part 2 of trying to attempt to fix my iPhones. This one, okay, they keep dying. This one, the screen won't work, it won't touch, but it'll turn on. And this one just won't turn on, and I don't know. Okay, yeah. So my shorty got me the screen to fix this one. And she also got me, you guys can see my Valentine video after. I'll just put that shit. She also got me the kit to fix it. Because before I had the right screws, but I had the screws, but it wasn't the right size. So now I should have everything I need. Let's get right into it. I don't have that much storage on this phone, so I'm gonna make some cuts and try to keep it quick. Okay. Begin by opening the phone up. iPhone XS Max. The kit she got me. I did just wake up, guys. I want to get this done as soon as possible so I can start using this phone again. Guys, I have a strong feeling this is not going to work, but I hope that I'm wrong. This is take 2. My last kit had a benzo screw as well, but it wasn't the right size, and I have a strong feeling this one is just the same size. There's another benzo screw, I believe it was bigger, but I need it smaller. I hope this is the right one. If I get this done today, I'm actually going to be really happy. Taking off the screen is some work. Okay guys, I'm getting the screen off. It's taking me about, let's say 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. I think 3. I'm looking forward to this working, but I do have a strong feeling that it's gonna be the same thing. The benzo screw's gonna be a little big. This is easy work, it's just the tools, you know. So the phone is open. There's some glue. Apple started putting some glue in there so it sticks. It's sealed. Water resistant a bit, I guess. That's what helps. Alright guys, yes, this benzo screw does work. I'm such a happy guy. This phone might work today. Let's see. Okay guys, so I just took the new screen out the box. Came in this. So it's a new screen. This old screen's still on there, still attached. I gotta deattach it still. And let me take a look at this screen. Okay, so now I see what I need to deconnect. Alright guys, I'll get back to you. Alright guys, I'm gonna attempt to remove the screen now. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see well, but okay, I've got a few things I need to remove first. Yo, this benzo screw is working like a charm. The moment I seen it turning them, I was so happy. I thought it was gonna be a little bit fatter, just like the last one, but thank God I was wrong. Okay, I got the part out that I need to get out. Good thing this thing came with everything it came with. Boom. Now I gotta deattach it. You guys can't really see. Yeah, a little look. Okay, so to deattach, I just gotta pop it up. Oh, that one did it. Okay, now I gotta take this panel out. Did it. This panel's stuck still. Okay, yes, did it. I was hoping nothing was this panel wasn't stuck under something else, because then I'd have to take out more stuff just to get it out, but that was not the case. So now I can detach this, and this one I need to detach right here. Okay, I'll get back to you guys. Hey, my shreddy's the best. Look, this shit works. Okay, see? Let me show you guys a little turn. Okay, I'm in there. Boom, it's turning. Put in the next one. Boom, it's turning. That's what I'm talking about. This is what the battery looks like. This is what the inside of an iPhone looks like. Okay, let me get it done. Okay. Okay, guys, and one of my big concerns is I hope when I'm finished that it is the screen that was a problem, because if it's something inside, then all this is for nothing and there'll be no results. But I really hope, and I do believe it was a screen, because I would still get my alarm would go off like in the morning when it recently broke. So I do believe it's just a screen, and there was moisture on the other side of the screen because I use hot water, and the temperature reached the inside, causing moisture, causing damage, and I hope that's on it. Alright guys, we'll get a video of me putting it back together. I'm excited, to be honest. I'm really happy. Okay. Alright guys, this part was kind of delicate, but I did it. The screen is removed and ready to be replaced with my new screen. So this is my old screen with the thing at the bottom, and it's cracked up, so it's easy to remember. And that's how to attach my new screen. Okay, so let me show you guys what it's looking like. Alright guys, I have removed the Face ID / the camera pieces. Camera pieces on the main frame, so not the actual camera, but whatever is attached to this front part. Yes. Okay. Okay. Something is still attached. So that's the old screen. Oh shit. Hopefully I didn't fuck anything up. This is the new screen. It's looking fine. I don't think I damaged it. This is the new screen. And this is everything. So this part was a little difficult to take out. And let me show you guys me putting it in. Just a little bit. So first I gotta put this piece in. Kind of layer it up because you don't go too far. Right in there. Boom. I was happy that everything came out. I didn't want it to be like some stuff right there. Let me take a look at the other side. So basically, yeah, this goes in like this. This is perfect. This goes okay. This goes right up here. Boom. That's it, and it's ready to screw. And then these plugins, I will. Alright guys, so I've connected the screen. I've put one screw back in, but before I continue the rest, I'm just gonna close it up I'm gonna attempt to turn the phone on and see if it works. It's not working. Okay, let me charge it and see. Alright guys, so I did it, I finished it, and I put the phone to charge and just still both having issues. I think they have battery issues. One of them has battery issues for sure, it's looking like. And the other one, I have no clue what's wrong with it. Keep turning on and off. That seems like battery issues or charging issue, but I'd say battery. And this one just won't turn on. So maybe that's a battery issue or something in the hard drive is actually damaged. I washed my hands kind of ashy. I need to lotion. I just woke up and started this video. See, this one will turn on, this touch won't work, and it keeps dying. 1% and it just keeps dying. And if I turn it off, it'll still die. And this one, I really wanted it to work. It's not working. I don't know. It's a little frustrating. See, this one keeps dying and turning on and off. And this one just won't turn on. I think maybe because I kept them off for so long, maybe they're having battery issues now. Yeah, we'll see. I think that's it then. So attempt 2 failed. I don't know if it's a screen or if it's something with the device. Putting the screen on, pass. Device working, failed. See you later, guys. Guys, I actually ended up doing it. I've hard reset the iPhones. This one has turned on, thank God. Yes, I think it might work now. I've done it. This one I still need to finish putting in the components on the inside. This one looks very funny looking. This display might be giving it a funny look. I hope that's not the facts, but that might be the facts. If that is the facts, I'll just buy a new display. But this one is temporarily just good. Maybe it's the type of iPhone it is. But you see how this one has like a proper looking charger and this one has a funny looking charger? So now it's telling me support blah 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 blah. So now I'm gonna do that and I hope this one works. And this one still needs a new screen, but it's having battery problems, but it's starting to charge, so maybe now it's gonna work. As long as this one works, I'm happy. And then this one can be second. My plans can go as planned now. I watched some YouTube videos and I learned this. So this is what I ended up doing. I pressed this, and you hold this. And you hold it for a little bit, like 10 seconds, 20 seconds, sometimes even 30, and it resets the phone. It works usually in 10 seconds. So volume up, volume down, and you hold this power button, and boom, this is what it does. I'm so happy. Okay, now let me see if I hold the power button, what will it do? I guess now I have to do that. Yes, it works. I'm happy. Let's see. Oh guys, now I'm also wondering if did I even have a screen problem or was that the problem? Before I think I did have a screen problem because okay, so now I'm wondering if I did have a screen problem or not because it worked. Oh wow. I did it. Wow. Thank God. This one needs a new screen, but this one works. 40%. I'm such a happy guy. Alright guys, I'm the best shorty. She got me the phone screen and the benzo screw and I fixed my phone. Okay guys, I'm the best. Alright guys, super proper. The phone is fixed now. I thought I was having a battery problem, but that wasn't the case. I just need to hard reset the phone and now it's all working perfectly fine. I was wondering maybe if I hard reset it with this screen it probably would have worked too. Watch, new screen. I'm gonna just leave it. I'm gonna close it up, put these back in, and then use this phone to do everything. And next I'll be fixing the XR. And then next I'll be fixing my Shorty's 12. And if you guys need your phone fixed, holla at me. I'll be charging. It costs a bit for the screen, so if it's a screen problem, I'll be charging 50 for the screen and an additional 25 for the service, or 50 for the service. We'll see. Okay, later, guys. The screen's actually like more. The screen's like a bill, so I'll be charging a bill for the screen and then 50 for the service or 25 for the service. Okay, yeah. Boop. Okay, guys, we get this done before this phone dies. And yeah, this is gonna be my banking phone now, and then this is gonna be my personal phone, which is gonna have banking and everything. And then once I fix the other phone, it's gonna be my social media phone. Different phones, different stuff, everything. The only thing now is I have to know what screw goes where, and I screwed this in the wrong place. It looks like. Yep, I have. There we go. So right now I'm just putting the screws back in. Hopefully most of the screws are the same, but yeah, mostly are. There's a 1-2 that are a little bit longer. That's it. First video I might drop right now. Well, not right now, but like one of the videos I'm gonna drop is that car video, because I know you've been waiting for that video. So now it's screen in so tight. Now this one takes a while for sure. Put one of the screws in the wrong place, I think. Fuck. Let's see. So guys, if you guys do this, make sure to put all the screws back in. I showed you guys how to hard reset if it's having problems with it turning on, or if it's having some battery problems with it turning on and off. Any type of problem, just hard reset, and it's gonna say go to hard reset twice. It's gonna say to go to Apple support. But what I did was I did type in Apple support, but then I just tried out hard reset again, and my phone just turnn back on. So. And it was working perfect. So just hard reset it, and then when it says Apple support stuff, it says connect to computer or whatever, just hard reset again. And this phone, I guess it was showing the right picture, because when I searched it up, this is the picture it was supposed to show. So I guess the other one is showing like an older picture that was like it used to be. The next one might need to update. Some of these screws are small. Some of these screws are different. Guessing the different screws for over there now. You guys have no clue what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, the screws for this. I don't even know. Oh shit. Guys, these little screws are so small, and you gotta go in little places. So if you need glasses, make sure you wear your glasses, or make sure to have someone that can see well. You should be able to see well, so if you need glasses, use your glasses. If you don't, then just get a close view, like go close to the device. And this is not actually hard, guys. You just gotta be delicate. Don't break anything. You gotta some stuff buckle in, unbuckle it. Watch YouTube videos, like this one, for example. But this one I was more in a rush to actually get it done. So watch this one. Watch other ones if you need to get in more depth. If you already know how to open and close a phone, then you don't need to see everything. You have enough information. Okay, boom. almost done. 2 more screws. Where's that long screw? 3 more screws, not including the closing one. And guys, I like doing things like this because it's me learning a skill. So I know I can rely on myself to do things, and it gives me the opportunity to be able to do it for other people and do it more often. Like, you know, I know, like, okay, I don't need to pay somebody $700 to do this. I just need to buy myself a screen, do it myself. Somebody, and apparently it costs $700. So I'm giving you guys a good deal when I tell you guys 150 to like 125 and all these low prices I'm telling you guys. It's a deal. Can you believe me? Go find all the numbers and see. Okay, this one's going inside. Now one of the screws going in on like a weird angle. I don't know why. I'm loosening all the other ones to re-screw that one. I don't need to put all the screws back in, but like I of course prefer to, and I am going to. And I suggest you should do the same. Just holds everything in the place it needs to be. You guys aren't really seeing anything, so I'm just gonna end it. Okay guys, I have one screw that's giving me issues, so I'm just not gonna put it in. Honestly, I'm not gonna stress over this one screw. I have all in the mix of that one. I do have extra screws at the bottom of this, so I'm just gonna throw it amongst those, and I can always get it if I need it. Okay, now I'm gonna close it up. And you get a new screen protector now. I have a case. Everything is great. It's on. I'm getting notifications. Life is good. Okay, now I'm gonna close up. This is the benzo screw. And yeah. So you guys can contact me if you need your phone fixed. Contact me on Instagram at kingb_alord. And I will fix your phone. Just say, hey, I see in your video, send me this video, and I will fix it. Okay, so now I'm just closing up the phone by putting in these screws. You guys know what screws these are. These are the ones you see outside. Boom, boom, boom. Yep, and I'm a happy guy. Now I'm gonna put it in the case. Oh, I shouldn't put my SIM card in. So where's my old device? Oh, you guys are on it. Okay guys, so I have the best shorty. She got me the iPhone screen I needed and the pencil screw that I needed and fixed my iPhone. So now I have one iPhone working. This one has screen problems, so I'm gonna fix this one next. And then I'm gonna have 2 iPhones that are working. I had this one temporary because first I had this one that broke. So then I got this one to use, and then this one fell off my dryer. So then I got since I figured they're all breaking, I figured I was gonna ship device until I fixed my good ones. So now this one's back and working, and I'm so happy. Let me put the case on it. Oh, I have to finish up fixing it. I'm just gonna keep this screen. I could put yeah, I'm just gonna leave this screen on it. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna have to check out to make sure the audio is working, because this is a new screen and everything is fine, but my phone is finally working again. I can make my videos on my phone and not her phone now. I still do it on her phone as it's a 14, but now I got options, you know what I'm saying? Jeez. And yo, guy, the car video is gonna be coming soon because it was on this phone and now it's fixed. So it will be coming very soon. I'm gonna finish putting the screws back in this phone. I put it back together, but I didn't put everything back in it so I could test it first. And yeah, I'm looking nice, you know what I'm saying? I'm looking these a little bit. I need to hit the gym so I can get fully in shape. And jeez, get back to the Rockies, 100Ks. Yeah, lots of content's coming soon. The CN Tower video, the Valentine's video, ice skating, all of it. Later.